protect the water quality of Mizumi. 1. Challenges the damage caused by the new coronavirus, which is now spreading all over the world and threatening people, is a major obstacle to living. It has a great impact not only on us students but also on society. Since I was studying Mt Fuji under such circumstances, I thought it would be great if I could conduct research related to the new coronavirus, and decided on the theme of maintaining the water quality of the lake. 2. Reason. Due to the spread of the new coronavirus, Japan has been requested to refrain from going out for about 2 months from April to June by a state of emergency. And we have come to avoid going out. As for the tourism industry, it has led to a decrease in the number of tourists. We wanted to explore for ourselves what impact this decline had on the environment in the region. Among them, we focused on lake water quality. The Fuji 5 lakes, which are famous as tourist destinations around Mt Fuji, which is constantly visited by tourists all year round, are familiar to us, but we often do not know how many tourists come every year. From an environmental point of view, I wanted to know what we can do to maintain water quality in order to solve the question of how clean the water is. 3. Experimental method. This time, I decided to investigate the water quality of 2 tourist destinations, Lake Kawaguchi and Lake Yamanaka. First, the water of the lake was collected from each lake at 2 points each. At a total of 4 points. One is a point with many people and commercial facilities, and the other is a point with few people coming and going. This water was used for experiments based on the water quality standard called COD, details below. Originally, the water quality of the lake is measured using special equipment, but in this quest, as a simple experiment, we used the COD pack test to see the color change divided into 4 stages. The difference was analyzed by comparing this result with the annual measurement result published by the prefecture. COD, chemical oxygen demand. Chemical oxygen demand COD is used as a wastewater standard and as an environmental standard for sea areas and lakes. The COD value is the amount of oxidizable substance in the sample water that is oxidized by an oxidant under certain conditions. And the amount of oxygen required for oxidation is calculated from the amount of oxidant used at that time and converted. It can be said that the higher the COD, the larger the amount of organic matter. The collection dates of the materials are as follows: Lake Kawaguchi points 1, 2. September 16th. Lake Yamanaka points 3, 4. September 9th, 4. As a result, Lake Kawaguchi point 1, showing a color green of 8 mg per liter or more. Lake Kawaguchi point 2, showing a color of 2 to 4 mg per liter, pale pink. Lake Yamanaka point 3, showing a color of 0 to 2 mg per liter, pink. Lake Yamanaka point 4, showing a color of 0 to 2 mg per liter, pink. Next, refer to the results of the COD numerical survey conducted by Yamanashi Prefecture. COD monthly average. Lake Kawaguchi, 2.6 mg per liter, January to February, minus 3.2 mg per liter, May. Lake Yamanaka, 2.3 mg per liter, June, minus 2.6 mg per liter, February, August, November. Although the results are at different times, they are generally worthy of comparison. 5. Consideration. The water quality of Lake Yamanaka was somewhat improved compared to the results of the prefecture. At Lake Kawaguchi, there were differences in water quality depending on the location. At point 1, water quality equal to or lower than that announced by the prefecture was observed. However, point 1 was significantly higher. A possible cause of this result in Lake Kawaguchi is that Autonomy had a large number of white granular objects floating at the collection site. It was not possible to analyze until the invitation of this grain, but it was judged that the influence of this grain was large. In addition, this point is a place with many tourist facilities, and the comings and goings of people may have had an impact. 6. Impressions. Through this study, it was found that the water of the lake is relatively clean on a national basis. First of all, I think it was a great achievement to be able to know the current state of the lake by actually conducting experiments on our own. First of all, you can send it to others by knowing it. I learned such a thing. As a point of reflection, there was only one index to judge when investigating water quality, and the experimental results were inevitably biased. In order to protect the environment of our hometown, I would like to think about how we can maintain clean water quality in the future. 7. References detailed map of Lake Kawaguchi. Fuji 5 Lakes, Yamanashi Prefecture. http://www.travelguide.jp/19m/kawaguchi_detail.html map access Yamanakako Village. https://www.build.yamanakako.lg.jp/docs/201302190066/files/map.gif Chemical oxygen demand Wikipedia. https://ja.wikipedia.org/wiki/% E5% 8C% 96% E5% add% A6% E7% 9A% 84% E9% 85% B8% E7% B4% A0% E8% A6% 81% E6% B1% 82% E9% 87% 8F.
Thank you for listening.